Hi, my name is Kevin Hill, and welcome to Understanding Artificial Intelligence for Executives with ExpertFi. First, let me tell you a little bit about myself. I have a PhD in cognitive neuroscience, and I've done research on neuroeconomics and human decision-making. After leaving academia, I did a series of startups where I got some first-hand, real-world experience with some of the most cutting-edge methods in AI today. I've led projects on computer vision, using advanced analytics for BI, algorithms for step and sleep tracking, recommendation engines, natural language processing, and even deep learning. I'm also a consultant where I've helped businesses with their data science strategy, digital transformation, and executing on data science projects. I also do a number of educational efforts such as workshops and the course like the one you're viewing right now. So what will you learn in this course? We'll start with a historical overview of the long-term trends that have led to this moment in history where AI is changing many of the aspects of our daily lives. We'll also look at data as the lifeblood of AI and how algorithm should exist over a life cycle in your business. We'll also talk about how to make sure you're optimizing for the right thing and how to build in successful feedback loops that both allow an AI system to be well integrated into your existing business process and to ensure that that system improves itself over time. We'll have an overview of the latest machine learning models that are powering AI today, and we'll also look at some use cases. In part one, we'll look at how AI is being used to understand human behavior. And in part two, we'll look at how AI can be used to scale the impact of the people inside your organization. In the last three videos, we'll look at the practical, tactical aspects of having an AI team. First, we'll look at the skills that are needed to excel and succeed with AI. Then we'll look at accelerated computing and why it's required for AI at scale. And finally, we'll look at some data science frameworks that can empower your team to succeed at all of their AI initiatives. So I'm looking forward to this course, and I hope you are too.